In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make copy flow around an image in Mailchimp. This is a handy technique for anyone looking to design visually appealing email campaigns, giving your emails a polished and professional look. When text flows neatly around images, it enhances readability and engages your audience more effectively. Let's walk through the steps to achieve that in no time. First things first, head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up. Once you're in, make sure you're on the dashboard. This is your main control panel for all your email marketing activities. So, we'll kick things off here. Now, you need to navigate to the campaigns section, which is where all your email campaigns are housed. Hover over the campaigns tab and click on all campaigns. From here, you have the option to create a new campaign or choose to edit an existing one. If you're creating from scratch, remember to give your campaign a memorable name that reflects its purpose. With your campaign open in the editor, it's time to insert an image. This is where the fun begins. Click within the text area where you'd like your image to appear. You'll notice an array of tools at the top. Click on the Content Studio icon. This nifty tool is your treasure trove of images. Choose the image you wish to insert. If it's not in there yet, you can upload a new one. Next up is aligning your image. This is what allows the text to wrap around it. Once your image is in place, look for the Align drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see options like left and right. Choose left if you want the image on the left side with text wrapping on the right, or right if you prefer the opposite. This alignment gives your email a clean, structured look. To ensure that your text doesn't appear cramped against the image, you can add some space by adjusting the margins. In the margin fields, you can enter a number to create a buffer between the text and the image. This step, though minor, plays a significant role in enhancing the overall visual appeal. Once you've made these adjustments to your liking, your final step is to save your work. Hit save and close to lock in your changes. It's always a good idea to preview your email before sending it out to make sure everything looks just right. And there you have it. Wrapping text around an image in Mailchimp is a straightforward process that can dramatically improve the look of your emails. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to create beautiful, dynamic email campaigns. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.